Hey guys, Caleb here. Real quick, wanted to show you guys something that we run into fairly frequently with Propresenter. I just want you guys to know it, be aware of it so you can check for it and also fix it when it happens. So right in Propresenter, and as you can see, I'll click a lyric, it'll show up as an output, right? But then you'll see the live lyrics. That's supposed to be on the lower third only down here, but it's showing up full screen. And stage display is doing the same thing. So that's something that I want you guys to check when you get here. Put some lyrics up and check that live lyrics and that stage display. If they aren't right, the fix for that is just simply restarting Propresenter. So just quit Propresenter, wait for that little dot down there to disappear, open it back up. And sometimes this works first try, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes you have to do it a couple times. But essentially, of course now stage display still isn't working right, but essentially you can see now the live lyrics is right. Stage display still isn't, but that's not really a huge deal for my purposes here. So you can see that fixed that output. So the reason that this happens, and I want you guys to understand this just so that's less frustrating for you maybe. So the way this works is we have one single cable back here, this black cable. And this guy comes from the computer and feeds this black box. This black box then has these three outputs. They go down, around, and to that switcher right there. And because that switcher gets turned off every time and this computer does not, the switcher and the computer just don't communicate super well when everything gets put back up. And so that's why you just have to restart and just try to get it to where it's set up properly. Yeah, I think that's all. Yeah, if you have any questions, please let me know. I would love to help you. Yeah, thanks.